In this video, we will be discussing the do-while loop. The do-while loop is similar to the while loop, except that the condition check happens at the end of the loop. This means that the loop will be executed at least once, because a condition is checked at the end. And even if the condition is false, the statement will be executed once and checked once at the end. Do, my statement will be executed then, while, then the condition will be checked. So if the statement is false, the statement will be executed and then the condition will be checked. Let's discuss its example. So I have taken the same example, like the one we had taken in the while loop. So the current count is 0. Starting loop, that current count. First it came in do. Do had curly braces, then I have written the statements. It will check the count in document.write. So it will change it to 0 in count, then 1. 1 is less than 5, the condition has become true. Then that 1, then 2, 2 is less than 5, it will print 2. Then it will have 3, 3 is less than 5, it will print 3. 4, it will print 4 is less than 5. Then 5, 5 is less than 5. No, 5 is equal to 5. So the loop will stop. If we refresh it. So it has printed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting loop, stop loop. If I change its condition to false, this condition is false, okay? So it will first print 0, then 1. 1 is not greater than 5, so the condition will become false and the loop will stop. So only 0 will print here. If I add a debugger to it, I've added a debugger, we inspect it and then we refresh it. So here it is. First it has printed the starting loop, then current count 0. Then plus plus is added in count 1. My 1 is greater than 5. Wrong condition, stop. Even though my condition was wrong, it still printed the loop once. So what happens in do while loop is that my condition is printed even if it is false. So in while loop, our loop keeps on running until the condition becomes true. So it is must for us to make the condition false once. This is it for this video. Let's meet in the next video.